Grasshopper. This is a kit as well. So we might as well 1/10 scale buggy. Add. I love the box art. So vintage. We do need build music. Shall I get some build music?
Yeah.
Shall I put some build music on?
Please.
25 minutes. Nah, it's not long enough.
Yeah.
Need more time. Oh, we're gonna get copyright. We'll get copyright if we do build music. We can't do that.
Find some non-copyright music, okay?
Non-cop. I don't have that. I don't have that privilege. All right, let's get this open. Let's get this open. I'm just gonna quickly go through this while Kawa finishes off. Shall I help you with this?
No, I think it's alright.
It's all right.
Yeah.
We've just had a bunch of new stuff come into the shop, and we thought we'd show you. And this is actually I've got a surprise on Kawa's little model there. Once we finish it, we'll announce something. So this comes with an ESC. I think it says it on the box as well, but that's a nice little addition to the kit. You got your tires, box of everything there. Can we get a zoom in on any of this? A very, very simple kit. They designed for beginners. And the rims there. Jumping on those. I'm sure this kit has come on a gazillion times, but here we go. Make your own build music. Oh, rough it. What have you dropped? What did you drop? Is it integral?
No.
Oh no, it's okay. It's just a Gundam marker. It's okay, everybody. It is okay. I did have a mild freak out. I thought we might have dropped the camera or something, but you need to smell the tires.
What can you smell?
Rubber.
Yeah, it's...
This must be my box for the Grasshopper. Well, these are back in, and they include an ESC for forward and reverse. So that's that. We have the Grasshopper. Beautiful. Shall we get an update?
Yes, it's the...